아파트.
Apateur. This is rice, fan. This is kimchi, not a fan. Can the superstar that is Rose our Blackpink's recipe for kimchi rice make me a fan of kimchi or not? Let's find out.
I'm killing the knife game.
I'm gonna try without the latex.
Trained for 4 years, and then at the end of 4 years, I was 20 and I came out as Blackpink, I guess 19 in American age.
How does Korean ages work if they're different to Western? Leave a comment. Let me know.
I'm just gonna put that on the pan before it gets hot. And
Pan, turning on heat. Adding kimchi before the pan gets too hot.
and the controversial spam, here we go. Yep.
Spam from Asia. Leave a comment if you know a better way of getting this spam out.
You know what I noticed? I might be wrong, but I feel like Korean spam tastes a bit better. Am I causing drama?
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Rose dropping cultural bombs.
Health freak and...
Adding spam.
So we have the kimchi in here and the spam in here. We're just gonna like cook it for a little bit.
Adding fire paste. Adding 1 tablespoon.
You guys wanna see?
Tilting pan.
It's new, it is something very personal to me, but it's been a long...
Adding the rice. Is rice started by Mr. Timness? And how do you wash those trousers? They're kind of all fluffy, and I have no idea. Leave a comment, I'm curious.
This is when I put like a little bit of the kimchi thingy in.
Adding a little bit of the kimchi juice.
But a little bit of sugar.
Add 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Feeling really nervous. This never gets easy. Okay, no, I suck already.
Add some olive oil, crack an egg.
The plating is the most important, is it not?
Let's plate up.
It looks really good. Stunning. Beautiful with the side of salami. In Korea, you call beer 맥주. So you mix the 2 words, so from soju and mek from 맥주. So it's called somek. And it's just like a perfect combination between soju and beer. And you just mix it like this. And you do that. Let me taste it.
Before we dig in, let's try and make some somek. Soju, about 1/3 of a glass, rest of beer. Multiple times. And maybe rotating. Let's try this.
Revel hold. 8.
Let's try this kimchi. The egg.
On Emma 10!
You did it.